Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, we are going to do an incredible laundry deal today, as well as a deal on some Pampers. We are going to do these deals on the internet, and they are going to be for giant food stores or Martin's if you have those stores. So if you have not downloaded the app, go ahead and download their apps, or you can simply go on their websites to do these deals. You want to make sure that you clip all the digital coupons that I'm going to refer to and get ready to save. Now, if you don't have an account with them, the first thing you want to do when you sign up on the website or on the app is to sign up for their loyalty card, because you want to make sure that you get your points, because you can use those points to get money off of gas. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to turn the camera around to the computer and jump right into it and show you exactly what I did, how I did it step by step, and how I got all of the savings. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and do so. Hit the subscription button and then hit the bell right next to it. That way you get notified every time I put up a new video and you won't miss out on any savings. So let's get ready to save, guys. Okay, guys, so we're going to do two different deals. The first deal we're going to do is going to be a P&G deal on laundry products. And the second deal that we're going to do is going to be a Huggies deal. Now, I'm choosing to do these deals online because I have a coupon that was emailed to me for $20 off a $100 purchase. And I received that coupon because I had been a Giant Direct customer in the past. So be sure to always check your email, because they're always sending out $5, $10, and $20 off codes and coupons if you use Giant Direct. Now, the two deals that I'm going to show you are really good deals, even if you don't have the $20 off the 100. But the laundry deal you can do in store or online, it doesn't matter. But the Huggies deal you have to do online. It is an online deal only. So I'm going to go over all the particulars and everything step by step for you to show you exactly how I did my deal. So let's start with the first deal, which is the P&G laundry deal. So as you can see, it says save $15 when you buy 3 participating items. Now, I'm a little sad about this deal because I do this deal a lot. It comes around a lot at Giant. I would say at least twice a month. But normally in the past, it has been save $20 when you buy 3 participating products. So I guess they must have caught on and they cheated us out of $5. They said, no, you're only getting 15 off. But you know us, we're going to do the deal because it's a savings, and especially when you don't have the ability to get a large amount of P&G coupons because they don't print them anymore. You have to go on the P&G website in order to get coupons. So if you're doing the deal, you can either print the coupons from the P&G Good Everyday website, which I will put in the comments as well as in the description box, or you can use the digital coupons. So if you want to do the deal twice, you'll have to use the digital coupons and then print the paper coupons. And you only can do the deal, take advantage of the save 15 in one transaction. So if you're going to do the deal twice, you have to do it in 2 separate transactions. So let's jump right into it. So, oh shoot. Okay, so it's save $15 when you buy 3 participating products. So it's not all the laundry products, it's the larger size products. So I'm going to show you which ones are included. And this deal runs from today, the 31st, through April 6th. So you have a whole week to do this deal. I'm getting this video up early for you so that you can have plenty of time to do it. So let's go over the products that are included. So here you see the Gain liquid detergent, the 154 ounce, the large Downy 164 ounce, the Downy beads, which are the 26.5 ounce, and then the Downy liquid 154 ounce jug, and that's again the Gain detergent. If make sure that whatever product you get, make sure that it says save 15 instantly when you buy 3, or else it won't qualify. And if you're doing the deal in the store, make sure that the item is tagged. So here you have the Tide Free and Clear. Again, it's the 154 ounce. Then you have the Gain Flings, which is the 60 count. So it's the 60 count and above. And then you have the Tide Liquid, which is 115 ounce, which is this 115 ounce and above, that's included. The Downy Infusions, 101 ounce, and then there's more beads. All of the beads that are 26.5 ounce are included. And then you here have the pods, Tide Pods, 112 count. The Gain Pods, which are 60 count. There's more of the liquid, more of the Downy, more of the Tide Liquid. Here you also have the Tide fabric softener for $12.99, which is included. You have the Downy liquid fabric conditioner, 164 ounce. There's more beads. So those are all the products that are included, guys. So the smaller products are not included. So just make sure they're tagged, or make sure it states on the internet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of these Gain liquids for $15.99. I'm going to grab, and I have a $3 digital coupon that I clipped that's going to attach to. And then I'm going to grab the Gain Flings for $15.99. And again, I have a $3 digital that's going to attach to that. And I'm going to grab one of these Tide liquids for $15.99. And there's a $3 digital for that. So I'm not only going to get my $15 off instantly, but I'm also going to get $9 off with the $3 digital coupons. Now, let me show you the second deal that we're going to take advantage of. Remember, this Huggies deal cannot be done in store. It can only be done online. So please keep that in mind. Please don't go to the store and try to do this deal, because they are not going to honor it. Okay, so here we go. So what the deal is spend $75 and get $25 off. And here you see it says online only. That is the only way you can get the deal. And it is not every Huggies product. It's only certain products that are included. So when you're online, make sure that you're looking for this where it says online, spend 75, get 25. It is a little confusing as to what is included and what is not included, because you would think that if it was included that it would state right on the front page like this here. But unfortunately, all of them are not like that. So what I have been doing is clicking on each one, and here you see this one says online, spend 75, save 25, whereas when it was on this page, it didn't say that. So it seems like all the ones that say sponsored are the ones that are included in the deal. So those are the ones that I would get if I were you. Although you have this one here, which is the size 3, it doesn't say it here and it doesn't say sponsored. But when you click on it, you see it says online, spend 75, get 25. So just be careful and just make sure that you're checking each one that you get to make sure that they are included. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get 3 of the $25.99 boxes that are a size 2, if I can find them. Well, they're here somewhere because they're in my cart. But I'm going to get 3 of those. And then I have one $2 digital coupon that is going to come off of here. Okay. So that is what I'm getting. So when you add all of that up, the 3 boxes of Huggies at $25.99 plus the detergent, I am a little bit over my $100 so that I can get that extra 20. So I'm going to get the extra 20 for spending 100. I'm going to get $25 off for spending 75. I'm going to get $15 off for buying 3 laundry detergents, plus my $3 digital coupons for the detergent and my one $2 coupon for the digital coupon for the Huggies. So this is my order. I end up getting a Gain liquid for $15.99, a thing of Gain pods for $15.99, a Tide liquid for $15.99, and I have $3 digital coupons on each one of those. And you can see all 3 of those products qualify. Save $15 when you buy 3. And then I've got 3 boxes of diapers. Each box is $25.99. So you see I did meet the threshold of spend $75, get $25 off. And you can see it states right there, online only. And then over here, you'll see what my subtotal is, $74.94. My tax is $288. But you know we don't discuss tax because everyone's tax is different depending on what city, state, and borough that you live in. And then there's the $20 coupon I got through the mail. And if you want to view your savings and how everything's broken down, all you do is click on this view savings button. So you see I saved $75.20. That is a great savings, guys. So my total is $57.82. Okay, so let's review what the savings are. So I got the $15 off for buying 3 of the P&G products. And then I had $3 digital coupons for each one of them. One for the Gain liquid, one for the Tide liquid, one for the Gain pods. And then I had a $2 digital for the Huggies. And then there's the $25 off for the promotion for Huggies where you spend $75 and get $25 off. And remember, you can only do it 1 per order, and it is on the internet only. And then here are other promotions. So I received an email to get $20 off a $100 order. And that promotion, again, I received in the email, and I guess because I had done online orders before with Giant Direct. So make sure you check your email. And then these weekly specials are just the little cents and things that were taken off the prices when I showed you from the beginning. Okay, guys, FYI, you can use my code, the 20 off 100. I'm putting the code up right here so you can use it. I used it on my account as well as on my mom's account. So go ahead and try it. Good luck. Okay, guys, so I am here at Giant. I'm here to pick my order up. Well, I did pick my order up. So I'm going to camera around and I'm going to show you what I got. So there's my 3 boxes of Huggies. There's my 2 Gains and my Tide. And we can go over the receipt. So there's my savings like I showed you on the internet. The $20 e-coupon, the $15 for the P&G, and my $25 VIP offer. So my total was $57.28, but you know we subtract the tax. So here is everything I got. So guys, let me know if this is a deal you're going to do. Let me know what you got. Make sure you check your email. Let me know what offers you got. And keep on saving.